Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a landing page with Getreszponse. So let's get started. First of all, on your screen, you can see we are looking at getresponse.com, and once you search that, you will end up over here. So before we go further in this tutorial, let me tell you what actually Getreszponse is all about. Getreszponse is an email marketing platform. It enables users to create and manage email campaigns, set up automated responses, and obviously design landing pages and campaign performance. So there's a lot of stuff which Getreszponse would do for you other than landing pages. That's a whole my point. And if you hover over on products, you will see all the other features like marketing automations and integration with other tools and webinar functionality. So once you reach this website, you will see all the latest details and features over here. We have some pricing plans over here, which we will talk about at the end of this video. And right now, we are just going to sign up for free. Once you click on sign up for free, you will end up over here. But before we go further, there are something which we need to understand that create an account and try all features which we have seen on the main website for free for next 30 days. So you can use your account for free and you can use all those features for free for next 30 days. So just remember that after that you will need to go for, pricing plan. And what you need to do, you need to enter your name, email, and obviously password. And after that, they might ask you for phone number, which is requirement for this website. You can also provide that. And after that, just click on create free account. Once you create your free account, you will end up over here. This is the dashboard which we were looking for. And once you sign up, you will end up over here. On the left side, on the top, you will see tools. Click on that. And here we have so many options which you can choose from. And we can see we have our option which we were looking for, which is called landing page. So click on landing page and it would redirect you to where you are going to create your landing page. But before we go further, let me tell you what it is all about, like why we are creating landing page. So landing page is a single web page designed for a specific goal, like, capturing leads or encouraging purchases. It's where users land after clicking on a link in an email or ad. So just remember that. So what you need to do now, you need to click on landing page. Once you click on that, we would have two options over here. As you can see, use a ready-made template or use an AI-powered builder. It's a new option. I'm not going to go in and try to show you every single thing over here. It's a very different tutorial. Right now, I'm going to use ready-made template, and I think ready-made templates are very easier than AI-powered builder. So AI-powered builder is also very useful, but ready template are also good. And as you can see, we have so many ready-made templates are over here for different categories. So just remember that this isn't on about website templates. It's about landing page templates. So just remember that this is not a website pages, right? So we have so many categories over here: arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, and beauty and fitness, and obviously under the categories. You can also use blank templates and start creating your own. So I'm not going to do that. It's a very different tutorial. And obviously, if you want to try it out, you can also do that over here. We have some blank template right over here, 1 to 6 options. Right now, I'm going to use any one of them and try to edit so you can understand how you can edit them. So for this tutorial, I'm going to click on very random ready-made template over here. Like this one, this looks good in my opinion, and you can obviously preview it. And this is how it looks like. And if you scroll down, this is what call to action button. So I think this looks good. And if you click on use this template, it might take some few seconds and it would redirect you where you can edit this template now. So as you can see, if I hover everything, it would highlight, right? Because if you want to edit this one, it would highlight like this. So at the top, you can see we have more options over here like home. And if you click on this arrow, you will find thank you page. Obviously, if someone's going to subscribe from over here and they would see some thank you page, right? So this is the thank you page. If you open that, you can also do that and you can even edit this also. So just remember that. You can go back to home and on the right side, we have preview for desktop and even mobile. Make sure to edit mobile later on because mobile needs editing also other than that, existing desktop mode, which we are looking at right now. So how you can edit, right? The most important thing. So if I click on this image and if I want to change this image or if I want to resize this image size, just click on it. And on the right side, we will have more options related to it. Just remember, we have free access to every single features. So just remember that, right? Right now, you can replace it, your image from over here. As you can see, you can even click on cancel, so you can not see any image over here. If you want to delete this section, you can also do that. Just click on delete over here. First of all, you need to hover over it and you will see over here, right? Remove. You can also remove it. You can also move it from over here. You can make a copy of it. And there's a lot of stuff which you can do over here. If you want to write name from over here, you can also do that, and we can add our title over here. We can add some other pages for resumes and project. That's why we have other not found page, because we haven't added anything related to it. So if you click on this call to action button, you can add your URL for related to your resume, and you can also add that on your projects. So if you want to add more things, you can see on the right side manage pages. We have global design. Global design is all about global, obviously. And we have add elements. Click on add elements and you can see this is the best UI I have seen on. Obviously, you can add section. What are those sections? You can add section from over here. Just click and drag, and here you can add multiple things like add title, or you know gallery, or pricing. You can also do that. Images, if you want to add some of that, you can also do that. If I click on this, you can see this is the new section and I can edit them also. And if you want to preview it, just click on the top right corner. So these are some options which you can utilize for your own landing page. And obviously you can edit every single thing. If you want to edit this background, the black color, you can also do that. You can change this font also. You can change these colors also, as you can see on the right side. Every single property and every single thing you can edit over here. And if you want to add stuff, obviously, like I said, just click on add element, and here you will have other elements also over here. So there's a lot of stuff which you can do on your landing page here. And once you are done with your landing page creating it, right? So make sure to check it on your preview first of all. And after that, just click on save and exit, or just click on continue. Once you click on continue, I think this would redirect you to somewhere else where you are going to add your domain and every single thing. So here you can see send an option, confirmation email. If someone going to subscribe, I can receive an email that someone subscribed. We can have add context to our autoresponder cycle also. We can also do that. We have so many options related to it. And once you click on continue, it would take you right over here. Here you can enter your domain over here, and your existing domain also. You can also connect that, and you can buy domain from over here. So Getreszponse also providing you do that. So after this, just click on publish. So right now, obviously, I'm going to use free Getreszponse domain. Let's see how it works. And once it's done, as you can see, it's active right now. And this is the landing page URL. And if I copy this, or just copy link address, I'm going to open this on different. And let's see. And here we are. So as you can see, we are at our landing page over here, and we can use this for every single thing around, to get capturing leads, or, encourage someone to purchase our products. You get the idea. So this is all about, this is how you can create your landing page on Getreszponse, and how you can connect your domain, how you can edit them, how you can add sections. There's a lot of stuff which you can do. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye-bye and take care.